Welcome back to One More Push, and today we're going to be using GIMP to create our YouTube banner. So, first thing we want to do is create a new GIMP file. So to create a new image, we get this pop-up, and we need to determine the image size. So where did I get this? 2048 by 1152. So, just went to my channel customization and saw that the banner image has to be at least 2048 by 1152. So let's design to those dimensions. And then if we want to add some content on here, where are we going to get those assets? Well, very simply for me, I think for my banner, I want to include a couple things. My logo, my favorite colors, a picture of me, and an image of my favorite freeware. So let's start with the freeware. I'll do a screen capture. With just on my Mac, it's Command-Shift-4 to get this marquee tool that allows me to do a screen grab of some of my favorite apps. So for a picture of me, I'm going to open up my photo booth, which comes free with my Mac. I'm going to add an effect on here, and I think the comic book look is good, and we'll take a picture. So 3, 2, 1. That's me. Before we import our images, let's start with some kind of background. So I'll go to my paint bucket and scroll down to gradient, or just click G as a shortcut. And over here under our tool options, if we click the image of the gradient, let's see, we have our shape. So let's go with asymmetrical conical. And then for our gradient, let's see. Let's go with a deep sea. So then you click on your background layer and drag. And if you want to change that, you can click and drag. And I'm not so crazy about this shape, so I think we can just change this here spiral. That's a little interesting. I'm not crazy about the color, so let's go with kind of like something tropical. Whoa, that's a bit too much. Let's go to Caribbean. I think that looks nice. So now let's import our assets. We're going to start with the logo. Let's drag in logo with transparency, and there we have it. Oops. Grab our move tool with M or straight from our toolbar, and then you can click and drag. Place it over here. Let's bring in the images that we just captured. So we'll go to the desktop, pull in the screenshot with my favorite freeware, and finally the images of me that I took inside of my photo booth. So to scale this, we can right click our layer, go to layer, scale layer, and type in, let's say 750 pixels wide. Click scale, and there it is. So now we'll add this image of me here. Let's change our mode to overlay. It's kind of cool. Let's make this layer the same size as our image. So we go scale layer, and I believe it was 2048. Scale. Looks pretty good, but we want this behind our images. So let's just reorder our layers. And now I kind of want to move my apps up just to make this a little more centered. Or you know what I might do? Grab this, grab these layers together, and there we have it. I think that's great. So let's go ahead and save our file. So we'll go save as banner, and then we will export as PNG. This right to the desktop is fine, so we hit export. All of this looks great, so we'll hit export to confirm. Now our banner PNG is exporting now as we speak. So as soon as this process bar is complete, and there we have it. So now we're gonna go back to YouTube and upload our new image. So we put this on the desktop and we call it banner. Click open. Well, we definitely have to go back and make some adjustments, but I think for now, this is pretty good. Let's say done. Publish. And view channel. There you have it. Now I think what I need to do is go back into GIMP and adjust this so that it looks decent on all these different platforms. But that's another video for another time. For now, I think we've done what we set out to do, which is create a custom banner for your YouTube channel using GIMP. So we created some assets. We used GIMP to create a banner image at the dimensions provided, and we uploaded it to our channel. That's all I have for today. Thanks for tuning in for One More Push. Talk to you soon.